Represent us. Eritrean embassy should close. Eritrean embassy. Eritrean embassy should close. Okay. Stop supporting the dictator. Stop supporting the dictator. Protect the refugee. Protect the refugee. You can. Refugee. You are asylum seekers. We are asylum seekers. We are criminals. Isaiah is a criminal. Isaiah is a criminal. Isaiah is a criminal. Stop. You can. Stop supporting the dictator. Supporter of the dictator should go back home. Supporter of the dictator. Supporter of the dictator. Supporter of the dictator.
Off the wall. No, off the wall.
Should go back home. Should go back home.
Sami.
A propagandist festival. A propagandist for the world. Stop. Supporting the dictators. Supporting the dictators. Supporting the dictators. You can. Act now. You can. Protect. You're a victim. Protect. Eritrean refugee. Protect the Eritrean refugee. You can. Stop supporting the dictator. Stop supporting Isaiah. Stop supporting the criminals. Stop supporting the criminals.
Bandera hava blue guys.
Free our people! 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 We need justice! We need justice! We need We are the Blue Revolution. Who are we? Who are we? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? We are the Blue Revolution. We are the Blue Revolution. We are peaceful. We are peaceful. We are peaceful. We need freedom. We need freedom. We need freedom. We need freedom. We need justice. We need justice. We need justice. Free our people. Free our people. Free our people. Free our people. We need justice. We need justice. We need justice. We need freedom. We need freedom. We need We stand for Eritrean democracy. We stand for peace. We stand for justice. We are peaceful asylum seekers. We are peaceful asylum seekers. UK need must protect genuine Eritrean asylum seekers. UK must stop supporting Eritrean dictators. We say no to transnational dictatorship. We say no to transnational dictatorship. Pure genuine asylum seekers deserve protection. Pure asylum seekers deserve protection. Police, you need to support genuine asylum seekers. Police, you need to investigate the dictator supporters. We support the police. To investigate fake asylum seekers. We will support the UK government to investigate the dictator supporters. Dictator supporters need to be deported from democratic
UK need mass support United Nations convenient refugee convenient we must protect our peace in democratic soil. We are for democracy. We are for justice. We support the UK democratic institutions. We want democratic institutions in our own country. This is the UK. This is our home. We need to protect the peace, the justice, the law of the UK system. We are for democracy. We call every democratic supporting person support our cause. We need the UK to deport fake asylum seekers. We need UK to deport Isaiah's supporters. Deport Isaiah's spies. No time for Isaiah's supporters. The police need to investigate fake asylum seekers. We are Eritreans. We can prove that. Isaiah's supporters cannot prove that they are Eritreans. They claim to be Eritreans. They have fake papers that only does not support their Eritreans. We are real Eritreans. We support real Eritreans.
We need justice! We need justice! We need freedom!
Blue revolution! Blue revolution! BFDJ supports Russia! 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 UK stand with us! UK stand with us! UK stand with us! UK stand with us! UK stand with democracy! UK stand with democracy! UK stand with democracy! UK stand with democracy! BFDJ supports Russia! BFDJ supports Russia! Isaiah supports Putin! Isaiah supports Putin! BFDJ supports Russia! BFDJ supports Russia! Regime change in Eritrea! 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 Stop appeasing the dictator! Stop appeasing the dictator! Stop appeasing the dictator! Stop appeasing the dictator! Regime change in Eritrea! Regime change in Eritrea! Blue revolution! Blue revolution! Blue revolution! Blue revolution! Blue revolution! Blue revolution! Support democracy! Support democracy! Support democracy! Support democracy! Support Brigade Nhamedu! Support Brigade Nhamedu! Support democracy! Support democracy! Support Brigade Nhamedu! Support Brigade Nhamedu! Blue revolution! Blue revolution! Blue revolution! Blue revolution! BFDJ supports Russia! BFDJ supports Russia! BFDJ supports Russia! BFDJ supports Russia! UK stand with us! 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 UK support democracy! UK support democracy! Do you support Putin? No! Do you support Putin? No! Do you support Putin? No! Why support Isaias? Why support Isaias? Why support Isaias? Do you support Putin?
No.
Do you support Putin?
No.
Why support Isaias? You rejected Hitler. You rejected Hitler. You rejected Hitler. Reject Isaias. Reject PFDJ. Reject PFDJ. Reject PFDJ. Reject dictatorship. Reject dictatorship. Support democracy. Support Brigade Nhamedu. Support Brigade Nhamedu. Reject Isaias. Reject Isaias. Reject PFDJ. Reject PFDJ. PFDJ supports Putin. PFDJ supports Russia. PFDJ supports Russia. UK stand with us. UK stand with democracy. PFDJ is abusing children. PFDJ abuses children. Stop their events. Stop their events. Stop their events. They are not festivals. They are not festivals. PFDJ abuses children. PFDJ abuses children. Stop their events. It's not a festival. It's not a festival. Support democracy. Support democracy. Support democracy. Do you support Putin? No. Do you support Putin? No. Do you support Putin? No. Why support Isaias?
No, Mary.
Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. Don't worry. I'm in the